we're going to carry on our discovery for some of you, or maybe just brush up for some others, of the universal laws. Okay, so I'm just making sure that it is coming on my laptop, so then I can see any comments that comes on, because I don't always see it on my phone. This is where I am currently filming. Okay, so I hope you guys are doing really good. Ta-da! There I am. Fabulous. Right. Okay, so the second law that we're going to be talking about tonight is the law of vibration. Okay, this is possibly the most important law. Okay, everyone thinks that the law of attraction is a primary law. Actually, it's a secondary law, and the law of vibration is the primary law. Okay, so the law of vibration basically says that everything, as in everything, is energy, everything is vibration, and everything just vibrates at different level. Okay, so some things you may see, some things you may touch, you know, there's a phone, a laptop, a desk, but some of the stuff that you don't see, okay, such as the law of gravity, the law of vibration, but there is some stuff that you don't see, but you know it exists. Again, like gravity, or like an x-ray, right? You cannot see the x-ray, but you can see the result of the x-ray, and you know that exists because that vibrates at different level, and then that level that we cannot see. Okay, so that's basically the law of vibration. It just explains that everything vibrates at different level. But it also mentions that the things and elements that vibrate at similar level attracts each other. Okay, so for example, you would have 2 drops of water. Yeah, you have 2 drops of water just, you know, falling down, and then at some point they will attract each other and then will form a larger droplet of water, right? But for example, if you have a droplet of water and a droplet of oil, then they vibrate at different levels. So, you know, one is heavier than the other, and they will not meet, they will not attract, because they vibrate at different level. Okay, so you will have heard, you know, even I say it, raising our vibes, raising our vibrations, okay? And you know, it tend to be a, you know, fairly, you know, funky thing to say as well. You just tend to hear it, you know, a lot more often these days. But then it is massively important, because if you do not vibrate at higher than the middle point, say the over the 50% balance, then you will carry on attracting you know, events and people that vibrate at the similar level as you do. Okay, so that's works on a negative, which is tend to be below the scale, and then on a positive. So if you think of a ladder, for example, yeah, and then halfway up the ladder, that's like your content feeling, yeah, you're all right, you're feeling all right, you're not feeling great, but you're not feeling bad either, you're feeling all right. So that's kind of your middle point. Anything above that, you know, they tend to be good vibes, and anything below that, then, you know, they're more negative vibes. So that's why we actually, you know, always talk about raising your vibration, so then you can actually be aligned, you know, be aligned to what you are manifesting. Okay, so if you are manifesting a soulmate, then you need to vibrate at a level that you are loving yourself, that, you know, you are be kind to yourself, and so then you can actually vibrate and then send those vibrations out, you know, to attract someone who feel the same about their, you know, about themselves, and therefore they are more likely to feel and to vibrate on a similar level as you do. Okay, so again, the law of vibration is, misconstruedly understood as the secondary law. It is actually the first, the primary law of the universe. Because if you do not vibrate at a higher level, then, you will tend to carry on, manifesting all the things that you don't want in life. So when I'm talking about lower vibration, I'm talking about anything like, feeling annoyed, feeling pissed off, feeling angry, feeling depressed, feeling anxious, all those kind of lower vibrations. And then they just attract, the same. But you also have those positive vibrations, so it's being happy and joy and love. Love is the highest positive vibration that you can send out, and then joy is slightly below. That's why another thing that you will hear as well is when you actually feel kind of you're just not feeling so great, or you're just feeling a little bit anxious, or the things that you are manifesting are not coming your way, so you're starting to feel a bit doubtful. Then the advice that you will hear from myself or from other coaches is go and have some fun. Go and have some fun, because having fun will instantly raise your vibration, and therefore you will then become more of a match to your manifestation. Okay, so going through the universal laws over the next few days, we're going to do one a day. So over this is the second one, so we've got another 10 days. Having an understanding of all of the universal laws will enhance your manifestation, because there is way more than the law of attraction. Okay, we'll talk about the law of attraction obviously throughout those 12 days, because it's one of the universal laws, but you need to have an understanding of the other universal laws as well, so then you can actually really understand all the things that you need to be doing in conjunction of manifesting your dreams or your soulmate or your dream job or whatever it is you're working towards. Okay, so that's what I thought. Going over all those laws over the next few days will give you hopefully more of an understanding, and then you can start practicing them, and then you can actually start noticing more things and put everything together, and therefore manifesting and practicing the law of attraction, as in all the universal laws put together under that umbrella, will become a lot easier. Okay, so this is the reason why we actually go through these. All right, so let me think. The law of vibration that we're actually talking about tonight, just to recap, like attracts like, but then it's more on a vibration level. So if you are vibrating on the lower level, then this is what you are going to be attracting back towards you. Everything is vibration. Absolutely everything is vibration. Your thoughts, your actions, what you do, how you feel, everything is vibration. So if it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't feel good, then, it's like a barometer. You will know that you're actually not vibrating at a higher level, at a more positive level. So then you can readjust that. That's like your internal barometer. It's just excellent. So then you go, do you know what? That doesn't feel good. I need to change how I feel. I need to change the situation that I'm in. And then you can actually be more attuned to how it feels. So then you can remove yourself from a situation or from someone, or because then you will feel it inside, and then you can therefore raise your vibration and therefore then attract, be more aligned to your manifestation. Okay, so I hope that has been helpful. tonight, as I said, we will go through all the other universal laws. So putting everything, together then gives you a much, much better understanding on how the universe works. And all these laws have always worked, and they will always be around. This is how the universe has worked forever, and this is how the universe will carry on working forever. It's just the way that it is, okay? So, all of these are within us. They are around us, and they are there to be learned, to be, just utilized to manifest our dreams. It is open and available to everybody. Everybody. I am so passionate about this. It is open to everybody. The only thing that is missing is a little bit of knowledge, and then you can just tap into that beautiful power that is everyone's birthright. It's just amazing. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at this for tonight. Again, if you have any questions, any queries, just send us a quick PM or a message, a comment down below, and I will get the notifications, and then I will reply to every questions. And in the meantime, I wish you a fabulous rest of your day or your evening, and then I'll catch you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.